Okay, first you're going to trace the legs or the lines of each angle in red. Then you're going to trace the angle measurement marks in yellow. Okay, so next you're going to use shapes to help you determine if an angle is a right angle, straight, obtuse, acute, or reflex. Okay, so for your right angle, a right angle is 90 degrees, so the corner of a square. Okay, so we could put a square in there, and that tells us, and also the angle, the yellow mark, also tells us that that angle is a right angle if we see a square in the corner. Okay, so next we have our straight angle. So we could use a straight edge, and if it's flat, straight across, that's our straight angle. Okay, it's a half circle. The next angle is an acute angle. So this angle is going to be smaller than 90 degrees. So you're going to use your orange square, and you're going to place your orange square right on the corner of your square on your vertex. So your vertex is where both lines meet. Make sure one edge is parallel or touching one of the legs or lines. If both lines are covered by the orange square, this is going to be an acute angle because it's smaller than 90 degrees. Okay. Next we have an obtuse angle. So an obtuse angle is greater than 90 degrees but smaller than 180 degrees. So if you take the same square and you put it in the corner in the vertex, and see how my square is parallel or on the edge of that line, only one line here is covered by my square. Okay, I can see the other line, the square is not touching the other line. So that tells me that it's for sure greater than 90 degrees. So it is not an acute angle. Okay, so now I need to decide, is this an obtuse angle or a reflex angle? So now I'm going to take my half circle, and I'm going to put my half circle so that it covers up my line here. I always want to cover my measurement mark. Okay? If my entire measurement mark is covered when I put it on that line, this tells me it is not greater than 100 degrees, so it's, or 180 degrees, so it's going to be an obtuse angle. So our last angle is our reflex angle. So for our reflex angle, we're going to do the same thing we did with the obtuse angle. We're just going to take our half circle, and we're going to put it right here on the edge, or edge of our line here. If we still have part of our circle showing, like we do on this, so we still have some yellow showing, I know that that angle is greater than 180 degrees, so I know that's going to be a reflex angle.